Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, Florida, and today we're standing on Grady-White's 306 Canyon. Beautiful boat, just came in here to MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This one's powered with the Yamaha F350 4-strokes. These engines are standard with a 5-year warranty, so that's a really big plus for the Yamaha 350s. Starting back in the back of the boat, nice big fish box. Your drain in here is countersunk down in the bottom a little bit, so that allows all your scales, your guts, your blood, everything to run out of there without having to use some kind of a fish box pump out. Really nice. That's also a lighted fish box. You've got a freshwater shower right here in the back. Of course, you got to have drink holders back in the back of the boat. For your cruise out, you got this nice big double wide seat, maybe triple wide depending on how, if it's kids or adults back there. But when you're ready to fish, it puts away really easy. Check this out. Look how easy that folds away. Pop-up cleats. Moving forward, right here on your leaning post, you have a wet bar on this side, fresh water in there. Cavernous live well, blue interior in there, rounded off corners, designed to keep your bait alive. Got some nice shotgun rod holders also on this leaning post, a little place to put your fillet knife, your pliers, hang some lures from there. So you've got those 4 shotgun rod holders, you got 4 more, and these are nice tulip rod holders too. They come to a little bit of a narrower bottom on them. Perfect for putting your expensive rods and reels and keeping them in great shape. Look at the gunnels on this boat right here. Very safe, very secure when you're fishing this. It comes, I'm 6'3", and this is coming up my thighs, so you've got lots of security when you're fishing in this. These are big, thick combing bolsters on here too. You know, that's going to really save your legs at the end of the day from having any bruising on them. Plenty of rod holders, as you can see. We got 3 on each side in the back. So you got the shotgun ones there, you got the ones in the gunnel. Moving forward, look at the seating on here. Great seating. Ergonomics is perfect. If you want to stand up and drive, that's fine. Look at that bolster. This seat slides back and forth too. Also a little footrest on here. If you want to get up on there, put your feet up on the footrest. Tilt steering wheel. That's power steering, by the way. This boat is equipped with the Yamaha Joystick on here. It's called Yamaha Helm Master. So it's going to make docking a breeze even in a stiff wind or some current. Nice upper electronics box up here. Great place to put your VHF radio, maybe your hat, your wallet, your car keys. Lots of stuff that can go up there. This particular boat doesn't have the taco outriggers, but it's already got the sockets. So if you want to add the taco outriggers to it, it's already got it. You can see the underside of this hardtop here matches the exterior gel coat. Really makes the boat, it's got a lot of flash with this same color as the exterior on it. Windshield goes all the way up to meet the T-top right there. Look at the finish work. Look at how nicely they do this. I mean, that's just Grady-White. They're overbuilt, super finished. Moving forward, nice double wide seat here. A couple more drink holders, of course. Your backrest for when people are lounging in the front, you don't have to pull them out and try and store them away. It just lifts up and goes in place. That easy. You don't have to try and store them. Pull it back. Again, you've got the one fish box in the back, but you've also got up front, you've got 2 more. And again, these are insulated and they run overboard by gravity. So no fish box pump out required to empty these out, which is a big plus if you've ever had fish box pump outs fail on you. They're expensive pumps. They're usually hard to get at. Kind of make boating and fishing a pain. Up here in the front, finishing it off. Nicely finished off compartment for your anchor windlass with your foot switches right here, easy to get at. This is the Grady-White 306 Canyon. It's located in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. I'm Grant. Give me a call today.